Ever wondered how successful people manage their time and achieve their goals? They use a powerful tool called goal setting. It's not about just scribbling down a wish list. It's about setting clear, measurable, and achievable objectives that align with our passions and aspirations. Take a leaf from the books of successful individuals like Akin Akinpelu, a performance coach, or Grace Beverley, a young entrepreneur who founded 2 businesses while studying at Oxford University. They've mastered the art of goal setting, breaking down their ambitions into manageable milestones, and this has been instrumental in enhancing their productivity. Goal setting is more than just a to-do list. It's a roadmap to success. It requires focus, commitment, and perseverance. And the best part, it's a skill that can be learned and honed. So, if you've ever felt like there's not enough time in the day, maybe it's time to try goal setting. Now you might be thinking, setting goals? Easy peasy. Well, not so fast. As performance coach Akin Akinpelu suggests, there's an art to setting goals that truly drive success. It's not about aiming for the moon, but about creating a roadmap to reach it. Firstly, your goals need to resonate with your passions and aspirations. They should be well-rounded, harmonizing with your overall objectives in life. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about tailoring it to suit your unique journey. Secondly, your goals need to be challenging. Easy goals are like low-hanging fruit. They might be satisfying to pluck, but they rarely push you to climb higher. Challenging goals, on the other hand, compel you to stretch your capabilities and grow. Now let's not forget the importance of breaking your goals into measurable milestones. These are like signposts on your journey, guiding you and providing a sense of progress. They make the pursuit of your goals a step-by-step process rather than an overwhelming leap. As for the action plan, think of it as your GPS, providing directions and keeping you on track. It's a detailed guide on how to achieve your goals, from start to finish. And remember, commitment and perseverance are your travel companions on this journey. They keep you moving forward even when the road gets tough. Remember, the key to success is not just setting goals, but setting the right kind of goals. Still not convinced? Let's look at some real-life examples. First, meet Grace Beverley, a 23-year-old dynamo who founded not 1 but 2 successful fitness businesses while studying at Oxford University. Now, how did she manage that? Beverley swore by the art of goal setting. She would jot down 3 goals each day and tackle the toughest one first. This method helped her prioritize tasks, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and even graduate without ever submitting late work. Now let's turn to our second example, Will Ward, the CEO of Industry Arabic. Ward set a personal goal to avoid checking his phone first thing in the morning. Sounds simple, right? But this small change had a big impact. By not diving straight into work emails and social media, he was able to start his day with a clear head and a positive mindset. This new morning routine led to a significant increase in his productivity and overall energy levels. As you can see, goal setting can make a significant difference in both your personal and professional life. Ready to start setting your own goals? Here are some tips to get you started. First, use positive language when defining your goals. Say, "I will" instead of "I want." It's a subtle shift, but it can make a world of difference to your mindset. Next, write your goals in detail. The more specific you are, the clearer your path to achievement becomes. Let's say you want to start a business. Instead of stopping there, detail what kind of business, where it will be located, and how it will operate. Now don't shy away from challenging goals. They might seem a bit intimidating, but remember, the path to growth often lies outside your comfort zone. Also, break down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This makes the journey less overwhelming and gives you a sense of progress. Remember to reward yourself for achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating your wins is a great morale booster and keeps you motivated. Finally, maintain a healthy balance between work and rest. Overworking might seem productive in the short term, but in the long run, it leads to burnout. So, set boundaries and take time to recharge. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a master of goal setting. So, what are you waiting for? Start setting those goals.